They are resting.
Hi everyone. Now today we are exploring the rural life of Punjab, and so we now going to Ramipur Kala, a small village in the Machiwara, and it's near about 25 kilometer from my house. So let's see, and we try to see you best place of rural life, which is approximately 25 kilometer from my place.
They overtook us. Now we
Hello guys, now we are going to
guys, this
we are so excited, even we are carrying a small child. So after half an hour we reached Rumi Kala, and now the time is 10:30 a.m. You see that there's a lot of sunlight in this area.
guys, this road is so cute. It's so peaceful, and they have planted trees on the both side of the road. We are riding inside rural Punjab, and this is so peaceful. It is so amazing that I cannot express my feelings in words. It feels so awesome. Look at all the paddy fields. It's turning golden, ready for harvesting. Finally, I am exploring the real Punjab with the help of this amazing people. They are showing me everything, and I'm so glad to be here. You can see tractor in background if it's visible. Wow! Also you can see there. This is amazing. Oh my god, I'm just loving it. This is rural. This rural visit. Wow. This is rural India, guys. Rural Punjab. We are asking for mud houses, traditional Punjabi houses. Finally, we saw some mud houses, and I'm going to show you. And I'm so thankful to her and her family. They're so amazing. They're over there.
Hi everyone, now we reach in Romigala. This place is in Machiwara region, district Ludhiana. So today we are exploring the rural life of Punjab, and now Ashu see the whole life and regarding people lives in mud's house and other places which you want to see. So will you explore it?
This is her house, and this is how traditional, like in old times, Punjabi people they used to live. They got scared of cats, and this is the mud house you can see. And here are so many cute cats. They are resting. You can see the door. And this is from inside how it looks. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is how people in old time they used to live. Guys, cute na? Yes, very very cute. So cute. Guys, if you are a cat lover, then please subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this video, there are so many cats. Sitting over there. So guys, again this is mud house. If you can see, looks like this. And the speciality of this house is in winter it will be hot, and in summer it will stay cold from inside. Thank you so much to them for allowing us to see this mud house. And oh my god, this feeling is amazing. Thank you so much. And this is the street of this village, and I can't express my feeling. It feels so amazing. So nice. Now after seeing this, it doesn't feel like I'm in a village. Mhm. Now we are going inside their fields. This is real rural life of Punjab. See, buffalo. The kids of this village. You guys are playing PUBG?
Free Fire.
Wow, see? Village life. PUBG cover. They are playing Free Fire. They are saying Free Fire game is the father of PUBG.
I hope guys आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगे.
Okay, this is snake god. You can see small. It's budding. Yeah, there you can see. Here also small one. And this is god. See. Yeah, this one is the bigger one. And that's the temple over there. And guys, now I'm going to show you the traditional cooking gas. It's in India, it's called chulhas. So traditional chulha, now you will get to see how they cook their food. And in the old time also they used to cook on this only in India. And yeah, and that is called chulhas. And she's making tea. Now we are leaving this village and we are going to somewhere else, and I'll show you that also. You know, these Punjabi villages are so peaceful, and the feeling you get, it's incredible. Okay. This is pure rural Punjab and pure rural India. kids are so amazing, so cute. Just love the road. Guys, once again see the traditional houses of Punjab, and this is their kitchen. If you can see, this is their kitchen. How clean it is. This is so beautiful. This is their small garden. If you can see, of course you can see. And this is how people live in rural India, rural Punjab. It's so nice.
Mud houses.
Yeah, mud house. And she is making old chulhas. You can see how she. Sorry, she's making chulha. You can see how she is making. She has used. These kids are so happy and they're so excited. They are calling us to their houses. And these kids are so amazing. They called us to see their house. It's not a mud house. It is cemented, but still, these kids are so amazing. They are laughing. So, guys, this mud houses village tour was amazing, and I'll end this vlog over here. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe.